to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and if you use Android phone and you find out that your Android phone is very slow, consider to do this to improve the Android phone performance. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer mode. All right, so after successful enable your Android developer mode, next thing you want to do is to simply head over back to your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on my settings right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on search from the top. And what you need to do is to simply type in developer. Then click on developer options. Then in developer option right here, what you need to do is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to background process limit. So click on that. So under the background process limit, what you need to do is to switch to no background processes. It's as simple as that. So you can continue to enjoy your Android fast speed in operation. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.